everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Zipmex account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Zipmex account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Zipmex login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. The official page of Zipmex will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign In option on the top right corner of the screen. It will take you to the login page of Zipmex. Enter your email address and password associated with your Zipmex account and click on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Zipmex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.